Hi everyone, I am Emma the Clay Creator. I'm going to create different creation from this little piece of clay that I have today. I want to invite all the friends out there to join me. All you need is a piece of clay. And if you don't have it, oops, don't worry, you will be able to make them yourself. All you need is follow the recipe down below in the description box. Alright? Ask your mom and dad to check it out. Alright, let's not talk too much. Let's now join me in making the different creation. Have you got your clay ready? Here we go! First, take a piece of Play-Doh. And all you need to do is roll it around. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Ta-da! Alright, Clay Creator friends, how is it going? Would you mind show me your creation? The ball? Whoa, look how round and nice they are. And you can play fetch with your friends. Alright, let's keep going. Next, we are going to roll the ball front and back and count to 10. And we are going to make an earthworm. Are you ready, my Clay Creator friends? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, my Clay Creator friends. Can you show me your creation? This is my creation. It's an earthworm. Clay Creator friends, how is it going? Let's show each other our creation. The earthworm. Ooh, they are so cute. I love them. Now let's head on to make our slow snake. Alright, now we are going to roll this long earthworm. We're gonna roll it sideways and don't push it too hard. Roll them up like a cinnamon bun. Roll, 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 roll. And now, ta-da! We've made a clay snail. Can you show me your creation? Ooh, that's a nice snail. Alright, last but not least, today we're going to make Ellie, the elephant. And all you need, not just a piece of clay, but 2 chunks of clay. Well, last, we are going to create my favorite clay creation, Ellie the elephant. It's pretty simple. Just follow my steps. First, take out 2 pieces of clay, a bigger piece and a smaller piece. Stick them together next to each other and squeeze the front of the smaller clay and roll it sideways like this to make an elephant trunk. Now, we're going to take 2 tiny balls of clay and smash it flat. Those are the ears. Well, let's stick it on. And next, we are going to squeeze the bottom part of the bigger clay to make and shape the elephant's legs. And last, roll a tiny piece of clay. Now you get the tail. And let's stick it at the back. And here's Ellie the pink elephant. Isn't that simple? For all my Clay Creator friends, the creator is someone that creates. A person that makes something. And creation is something that a creator makes. Alright friends, Can you show me your creation, the elephant? Wow, that was so nice. And you know what? We are called the clay creator because we made something out of the clay. And all that we made are called the creation because we made that. The creator made the creation. And now, I have the next thing that I will ask you to do is to look around the house, look outside the window, and see all the beautiful creation in the world. The clouds, the birds, the sky, the sun, the trees, and even me and you. Someone made all of us in the world, and He is God. God is the creator. He made everything in this world as creation. So we need to say a big thank you to God for everything. Are you ready to join me in that? Ready? Thank you, God! Alright, that's all for today, and we shall see each other next time. Bye-bye!